Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most useful features in Cakephp5, using the distinct function in a query. If you've ever worked with databases, you know how important it is to retrieve unique data and avoid duplicate. In this video, we'll explore what distinct does, why you need it, and how to use it effectively in your Cakephp applications. Whether you're building a simple blog or a complex enterprise application, understanding how to work with distinct data can save you hours of debugging and improve the performance of your query. So let's dive right in. When working with databases, it's common to encounter situations where you need to retrieve unique values from a column or a set of columns. This is where distinct comes in handy. The distinct function allows you to specify that only unique rows should be returned in your query result. Imagine you're building an e-commerce application, and you want to display a list of all the countries where you have customers without duplicate. You can use distinct to achieve this. By applying the distinct function to your query, Cakephp will automatically remove any duplicate country names from the result set. To illustrate how distinct works, let's consider an example. Suppose we have a table called orders with columns for customer, did, order date, and country. If we want to retrieve all unique countries where orders were placed, we can use the following query. We're going to use distinct on the country column to get only the unique value. When you run this query, Cakephp will return a list of distinct country names from the orders table. This is just one simple example, but it demonstrates how powerful distinct can be in simplifying your queries and avoiding duplicate data. Another common scenario where distinct shines is when working with aggregate functions like sum or count. In these cases, using distinct ensures that you're only counting unique values and not duplicates. To summarize the key points from our discussion, the distinct function allows you to retrieve unique rows in your query results. Use distinct when you need to remove duplicate values from a column or set of columns. Applying distinct can simplify your queries and improve performance by reducing unnecessary data retrieval. That's it for today's video on using distinct in Cakephp5. We hope this explanation helped clarify how and why to use this powerful function. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. If you found this video informative, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on Cakephp and other programming topics. And don't forget to share your own experiences with distinct in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're using it in your project. Thanks again for watching, and happy coding.